Hey everyone, Nick with Cabinet Joint, showing off our Access toe kicks. So with our toe kick system, it comes in multiple lengths. Those are cut to size depending on the size of your cabinet. You simply measure the base from panel to panel, cut your toe kick down to size. There's going to be one complete finished side, and then there's going to be one side with this route cut into it. That's because we use this nifty little clip system. Sometimes it comes in two pieces. You just marry the two of them, very easy to do. And then you simply affix it right into the route, just snaps into place. Don't feel like you got to slide it in. You can just snap that right in. As far as the locations, the keys are you're going to have a clip at each end of the toe kick length. Now, for 8 feet, 10 feet, things like that, you definitely want a center one. But for some of these smaller cabinets, really only 2 on the outside is necessary. I have 3 here, for example, but the more clips you put on doesn't make it more stable. You want some of that forgiveness so you can slide the toe kick to and fro or pop that off in the future should you need to access something behind your cabinets. Like in this application, there's a lot of wires running behind for the television and some of the other electronics, and so it was very easy to install the cabinetry, pull the toe kicks off, access behind, and then snap those right back into place. So the next phase is you're going to affix your toe kick to the legs that are at the bottom of your cabinet. So I find that the best method after this is cut to size, we've already pre-fitted, made sure that the actual toe kick is the appropriate size for the opening. I now have my clips added to the back. I simply lay this down in front of my legs. These will slide to their appropriate locations, get them lined up, and simply tip up your toe kick, snap it into place. It's as simple as that. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call. You can email your cabinet coach or call us at 888-211-6482. Have a great day.